Today I got a quick video for you on how to either replace or clean a flame sensor on a Rheem model furnace. We're going to do this in real time today just to show you how easy it is and how you can do this yourself. Save anywhere from 80 to almost 200 bucks on a simple thing like this, just as that might be the normal cost for HVAC specialist to come out and do this for you. So I thought I'd give you a quick video on how to do it today, again in real time. So first thing we'll do here is take off the panel cover, and actually before that, just to be safe, what we'll do is we'll actually unplug the furnace here so that there is no electricity going to it. Another thing is your furnace might have a switch on the left or the right of it. That is how you turn it off, so you can use that if you don't see an outlet and a plug for the furnace. Next thing, we'll turn these two knobs here to the left 90 degrees, and that will then open this up. And the nice thing is we only need one tool to do this job, and I'll show you how to find out what that is. So what we're going to look for is the burners. So if you follow your gas line, so you can see right here, that's the gas line. You follow that up and around, and you can see this little black bar. This is the manifold, and behind there, all those things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are the burners. So our flame sensor, since obviously by its name, it's going to be near the flames, and it's a safety precaution to help the furnace know if there's a flame present, and if not, it shuts down the furnace. So very important to keep that thing clean just so it's operating to its maximum level and keeping you and the furnace safe. So let's move you a bit closer here. And what we're looking for is a single wire going to the sensor. So as you can see, we have 3 options here, 1, 2, 3. Those are all next to the burners there. And this one has 1 wire to it, so that would be our flame sensor. The other 2 are likely, I think, it looks like those are surface igniters, so that helps the ignition process. The flame sensor is its own unique thing. So what we're going to do first is take off the electrical connector by just pulling it off. And just like that, we have it off. And then as you can see, there's a single nut right there that needs to be, or a single bolt, and you can either use a 1/4-inch drive like I have here, or you can use a socket or a flathead screwdriver. So let's take off that. Alright, take that out. Now importantly, you don't want to touch the top of the flame sensor. You're okay to touch down here in the porcelain and slowly move it out. As you can see, this one's angled. So you don't want to touch any of this part with your fingers because the oils will deteriorate the flame sensor faster. And now we'll just want to clean it. So what you'll want to do is use either something very fine like triple knot steel wool, so that's 4 zeros, or something that's not too abrasive. So I'm going to actually use an old bill here. And we're just going to clean the soot off this until it doesn't feel as crunchy. Perfect. Now might not look too different, but again, as you kind of help get away that layer of soot and debris, that will definitely, you'll feel a difference, feel less crunchy. And again, that will help the flame sensor last longer as well as better detect flame. So now we'll put this back in, so we'll slide in. You can't really screw this up because there's only one hole that helps to align the flame sensor. Very good. Now that that's back in, we can put on this spade connector. Good. Should hear a little click. And if for some reason it doesn't feel tight on there or it feels loose, you can actually take a pair of pliers and just squeeze a little bit on those ends to help it cinch better down on that flame sensor. And that's it. That's how you replace it. Or excuse me, that's how you clean it. And again, the same process would obviously be there if you were looking to replace it. And with that said, let's finish this up by putting the cover back on, slides underneath, and then push it flush. Turn these knobs 90 degrees, plug back in the furnace, and that's it. So that's the video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. Tips and suggestions are always welcome. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.